heavy price, you pay heavily. Do you understand? So avoid regrets. Do what you're supposed to do, man.
We cannot go into the hotel. You know that. You know how difficult it was for him to release the address.
That's how criminals do. Alright? But listen, like I said, do what you're supposed to do. Which way are we taking?
At the junction, you take your right.
Okay, homeboy. Right.
The hotel should be the last building on this street.
You know, the first money I make for Singapore, it was not easy. But we'll rugged them now because we know where they come from now. Then bara me I buru them, come turn, come become buru. I this smell they feel say if you come, tango. But it takes two to tango, to a jango, less no zeba no my this copy or mango idiots. Who will go track and today in go now see them. Call him on the phone. Tell him you are packed by the streets. No fuck up.
You must collect.
Yes. Take.
You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore. You must collect.
What's up, bro?
Hello, Chooks. I'm here now.
Oh, you're here? Where exactly?
The street by your right, when you come out.
I hope you're alone.
Yeah, sure, I'm alone. No.
Alright, I'll be with you in 5 minutes. Alright. Give me 5, I'll be with you. Okay?
Sure. Alright. Do your face well. It be like chicken, fit fight. I tell you, say, if you solve small puzzle for jungle, come they follow me, they struggle.
Can I go now?
If you talk again, see, in this weather, we are together in Bagada forever. Ugo. They ask me, can you go? If you want me to salama you.
Price market go buy, who buy market go pay, and who pay must to collect. Collect and what do. Sumo puzzle for jungle. You deal with me, they struggle. When other guys they hustle, we go play like Royal Rumble. I'm back from Singapore, where we they play, we they sing and ball. We turn my niggas over there, we they do things to the core. So make you know they wanna blue. Don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you are due. You must collect. You must collect.
Okay. Sorry.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We talk my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know the banana, don't mess with the nigga.
Babe, I was shocked when Adesua called to tell me about it.
Yeah, where did she hear it from?
I don't know. She sounded so sure, so I decided to come and confirm from you.
They have come now. They have confirmed.
But what really happened? Like, did people quarrel? Did you fight? Tell me, talk to me, what happened?
Nothing happened. You came here now that day now for that wedding dress.
Yeah.
So the next day, I went to the tailor. Your tailor, no.
Okay.
And from there, I went to his house and we were okay. Nothing was wrong. Everything was going very fine. And then he said he had one important business meeting to go to, and I believed him.
You have no reason to doubt him now.
No. Now that I think about it, I realized that he was planning the heartbreak all along. And he was with his friends.
Wait, Mike was there?
He was.
Huh.
I asked him about it. I asked him and he denied, said he didn't know anything about it. Until Obona comforted him and he just confessed.
Okay, so what's the situation now like? Where is Chooks?
I don't know. I've left everything for my brother. He said I should leave everything to him. So.
Really? What does he want to do?
I don't know. All these questions just giving me a headache. What's happening?
All this because of Chooks' wickedness. Chooks did not try at all.
Do you know the funny part? Ever since my brother came back from Singapore, like Jagaban, everything, he has not even sat down in his house for like 5 minutes. Like, let him just sit down.
I'm not just happy. I'm just confused.
Let me just close my eyes. And somebody just wake me and say, oh, it's a bad dream, just wake up.
Don't worry, we'll pass through this together. Eh? 3 of my friends haven't come in. They already sold a shabby for this wedding. What kind of thing is this? What will I tell them? Why is Chooks like this? Chooks did not try. Chooks did not try at all. I'm not happy. Chooks did not try. He did not try, Zoko. I'm not happy.
Is that why you're wearing a shabby with me, red and
I don't know why we're always wearing the same color, but that's not the problem now.
Johnson. Sergeant Okon, what is the matter?
So this man is reporting a case that requires an urgent attention.
Everything is urgent these days. What is the case?
Sir, it's a case of kidnap, abduction, and attempted murder.
Kidnap? Are they like terrorists or bandits?
Something like that, sir.
So who did they kidnap?
Someone very important, sir.
Sergeant Okon, who is the person? There are so many useless people in this country these days who claim to be VIPs. Who did they kidnap?
Sir, he is the husband-to-be of Chief Desmond Nanga's daughter.
Chief Desmond Nanga? The daughter? You mean Jennifer, my princess?
Yes, sir. Jennifer. Jennifer is her name, sir. Chooks, my friend, is her husband-to-be, sir. One criminal, one notorious drug addict who escaped from Singapore, kidnapped him, sir.
Why? What does he want?
Money, sir. Money. I think because he knows very well that Jennifer is rich. So the easiest way to get to her is to kidnap my friend Chooks. As we speak, sir, Chooks is in their custody.
I see. But how come you know the kidnapper?
Sir, I know him.
How?
I know him very well. He's a wanted criminal abroad. In fact, he flew into this country to continue his crimes. Sir, he and his boys kidnapped me. They first abducted me. Look at what they did to me, sir. They beat the living daylight out of me, sir. They abducted me so as to get to my friend Chooks. Sir, I narrowly escaped the kidnap scene of my friend Chooks. I ran straight to this place to lay the complaint. Sir,
Is Princess aware of this?
I am not sure, sir. I'm not even certain she's in town.
Sergeant. Sir. Mobilize your men at once. Meanwhile, give this man paper and pen to write down this story as a petition for us to work with. You understand?
Yes, sir.
This is a very serious case. Chief Nanga was my mentor, a very important man in this country. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Nothing can happen to anybody that is connected to him, as far as the police force of this country is concerned.
Yes, sir.
Now move it.
Thank you, sir.
How can? What? Princess, husband kidnapped.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We turn my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know they wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you a dude. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect.
Guy, don't wound my in-law. Don't wound my in-law for crying out loud. Untie him. See, you know they use your blade. Carry knife, kill for criminal for it. You mad? Now criminal will get Jackie Chan now, he will collect them. You move in this case, now my advice in in-law, you do this thing. My brother knows Rex already. All this what to do. One Butsu, tomorrow, you know, Butsu. Then Ogobuchi.
What's the meaning for all this?
My guy, yeah. I just want to make reason together like men, you know. I don't want to harm you on a norms whatsoever. I just brought you here so that we will reason together. My brother, man. My sister waited for you for years. You made her reject suitors until you were ready. Only for you to dump her, reject her. Huh? Why now? What did my sister do to you? A good girl. Chooks, we had this conversation before I left. What happened? What has my family ever done to you? Why my younger sister na attack her? What is the problem on them? Eh? So I just want to know. No, I didn't come here to harm you. You know, let us reason together. What happened?
Ogbonna, or whatever your name is. Do you know the implication of what you just did? Do you know the implication of kidnapping me?
I know the implications of what I did. And I am ready for the consequences. But my question is, are you ready for the consequences of what you have just done? Huh?
Well, for your information, I'm not going to marry your sister. Yes. I cannot marry a girl whose brother is a criminal.
Oh, you idiot! How dare you talk to someone who has money like that? Are you mad?
Listen, leave and make you talk as you like. If now you smoke with you smoke, plus all the things we don't put for him, but you will still talk past him. But If you talk go up, talk come down, you must answer my question. What did my sister do to you?
Obone, I know you think it's the Chooks you used to know. No, I'm a different man now. This is not the Chooks you used to know.
See person where we suppose put on lantern, you see him, say make we sell lantern. Waiting we go come you see him. You small boy like you. We know if you solve small puzzle for jungle, they here they struggle with me. I go play you like Royal Rumble. My brother, I swim fire, swim flames, swim ocean. For Singapore, we Singapore do things to the core. One day, like I tell you, I was condemned, yes, but discharged and acquitted because I did 180. In Singapore, we Singapore and do things to the core. They want barabara me I buru them, come turn around, turn to buru. Hello?
Hi.
To hell with you.
Don't let me do to you what they couldn't do to you in Singapore. I know everything. Don't let it happen to you here in this country.
I will mess you up.
You have dared the lion. And I won't have mercy. I promise you I will not have mercy on you.
Who enter market, go price, go buy. And who buy, go pay. Who pay, go collect. And you know say no be window shopping. See, I play the enemies like a game of chess. Where I rest, no stress. Chooks, I no go kill you. Why? Because you be my in-law.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know the wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you are doomed. You must collect. You must collect.
Okay. This is good enough for a start. Mr.
Mike, sir.
Michael, okay.
Exactly.
Would you be able to trace the place they took you to when they abducted you?
No, sir. I'm not 100% sure.
You're not sure of anything?
No, sir. I was blindfolded the very moment they kidnapped me. So I could not place exactly the place they took me to.
Okay, would you be able to gauge like how long you were on the road before you arrived at your kidnapped destination?
An hour 30 minutes. Yeah, approximately an hour 30 minutes. But sir, I think I heard something that sounded like a factory and a mosque.
Around the vicinity, eh?
Yes, sir.
Factory, mosque, an hour 30 minutes. All right. Do you have Jennifer's phone number?
No, sir. No. I don't have a number.
You don't have her phone number. Sergeant.
Sir.
Proceed with your men with immediate alacrity. Be careful. You heard what he said. Those hoodlums are armed. If they resist arrest, do the needful.
Yes, sir.
And if they engage you, finish them off.
Yes, sir.
But make sure the victim is safe.
Yes, sir.
Move it.
Thank you, sir.
Whoever this idiot is has purchased trouble for himself. Go same way. Even the IG of police will be interested in this case. Nonsense. Chief Nanga's daughter. No, not where I'm concerned.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play, we dey sing and ball. We turn my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know they wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you a dude. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect.
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
What's going on? What's going on?
You must collect.
Hello, Usman. Yes, you're not around the hotel, right? Okay, my flight is in an hour's time. Yes, if you see Chooks, tell him to join you guys to the airport. And please let him know I've been trying to call his number. Okay, alright, I'll see you guys soon, alright? Okay. Driver, come and get my bag.
You must collect.
Have you heard the latest?
About what?
The reason why Chooks cancelled their wedding.
No, I haven't heard.
That means you haven't been listening. See, I heard that Chooks caught Ifeoma on top of another man.
Adesuwa. Nothing like that happened. I'm just coming from Ifeoma's house. It's a lie.
And so? Do you expect her to tell you such a shameful thing?
Adesuwa, nothing like that happened.
Story. Why would Chooks wake up one morning and just cancel his wedding just like that? Is he mad?
I don't know. All I know is that Ifeoma, our friend, did not do anything. Besides, she was in his house a day before she went to amend her wedding clothes.
And so, what if Ifeoma went to Chooks' house, as a decoy to go to her secret lover's place?
Adesuwa, why are you bent on painting Ifeoma black over this fake news? Why? What did she ever do to you?
How? I'm not painting Ifeoma black. I'm only saying the truth. When I told you the wedding was cancelled, did you believe it? I'm sure you will confirm this one later.
And this is a blatant lie. I've known Ifeoma and she's a decent girl. She can't do such.
Okay, you can believe whatever you want to. I know that one day the wind will blow and the foul nyash will open.
Ifeoma. Continue, no problem.
Let's go. As I have a party tonight,
You're currently
what's that? What's the color back?
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play, we dey sing and ball. We turn my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know they wanna don't mess with a nigga like me.
Don't. Hey, sit down. You're mad. You like the mad though. People they follow you play, you don't know. Eh? You don't play Ludo way you small. And you don't play what? You don't know say na Ludo and what will they play for here? Because don't be like this, kidnappers they behave. Just how I be kidnapper, you go no. Listen, you're not going anywhere until you reverse the wedding cancellation, and then I will take you to my house. Eh? You go kneel down, apologize to my sister, and then gently continue the planning of the wedding as if nothing happened. Oh yeah, do you?
You're a dreamer. Yes, you're a big dreamer. I will do no such thing. As a matter of fact, the wedding cancellation remains. It stands. You want me to go and apologize to who?
Then you remain here until you do what my chairman asks you to do.
My friend, shut up. To hell with you and your chairman.
My in-law see danger, so I apply caution. See, I'm giving you just 1 hour to decide your fate. Else, I will take this matter to the next level, and it will be too bad for you because what you will see, you no go like them. By that time, it will be too late. Behave yourself. I'm treating you like my in-law, not like an outlaw. Don't make me treat you like an enemy. Let's remain friends. You dey hear me? Because by that time, I'm not going to care whether you be friend or foe. Waiting you go collect this, all of us must go.
We dey do things to the core. So make you know the wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you are due. You must collect. If you must collect. You must collect. If you must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. If you must collect. You must collect. If you must collect. Ego di mwele na dasibo. Jesi leba ne jese zibo. Mapotaze koku kibo. Chaba kanzepeze ya kopusi efibo. Them they try to play smart, even when the name no be this man. But after all the bother booty, they can still come live for the mat. I dey mad now, so I'm on the shop. The guy who could be young number. I dey boom on way, as far as you know one is it guy. Maybe you get TV. Now shaggy DVD. Let's say your table. Oh man, watch you get a big TV. If you must collect. You must collect. If you must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. If you must collect.
Something is wrong.
You must collect. If you must collect.
Boy, what's going on? I've been calling you since 3 days now, but your phones are switched off. I just decided to try one more time. Are you no longer interested in the Eco Estate deal? Hello, Chooks.
Something is certainly wrong somewhere.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know the wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you are due. You must collect. If you must collect. You must collect. If you must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. If you must collect. You must collect. If you must collect. Ego di mwele na dasibo. Jesi leba ne jese zibo. Mapotaze koku kibo. Chaba kanzepeze ya kopusi efibo. Them they try to play smart, even when the name no be this man. But after all the bother booty, they can still come live for the mat.
Hello?
Hello? Chooks used my phone to call this number. He said you're his friend.
Who am I speaking with, please?
This is Chooks' fiancée. My name is Jennifer.
Oh, so sorry. I didn't know you were the one calling.
Okay, I've been trying to reach Chooks since morning. I can't get through to him.
Thank God you called, Jennifer. Chooks has been kidnapped.
What? Kidnapped him? What? What did he do?
This morning, right in front of your hotel.
Close to my hotel? How much do they want? What do they want? Do you know how much they need? What's going on?
I'm not sure it's about money.
Then what is it about?
I don't know. Jennifer, I don't know. I've already reported the case to the police, and Right now, they're doing all their possible best to track them.
What police station, please?
Estate police station.
Okay, please, can you meet me there, like now? Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know the bottom, don't mess with the nigga.
Kidnapped?
And if you step in on my toes, you are doomed. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. You must collect.
So this is how Femi wants it. To kidnap my fiancé just to make me marry him? Pampered fool.
Jesi lebane jesi zibo Mapotaze koku kibo Chaba kanse beze ya kopusi efibo. They try to play smart even when they don't know this man. But after all the bother with the niggas still come live for the mat. They man has a body shot. I think you could be young now.
Hello, Jenny. I'm so delighted to pick this call.
Shove that pretense down your throat.
I don't understand.
Why did you do it, Femi? Tell me.
Why did I do that? Do what? I don't understand. Do what? Why did you do what?
So you don't know what you did?
Please. I don't know what you're talking about. I do not know what you're talking about. I'm not even in a state of no.
Is it by force to get married to you? Huh? You know that was what that bloated fool did to my friend Franca. I mean, why do you guys feel so entitled? What is wrong with you guys? What?
Jenny, I don't have an idea why you're harassing me. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, so you want to pretend more, right? So you want to pretend, right? Now tell me, how come the witch cries in the night and the child dies in the morning?
The witch cried in the night and the child died in the day. That's deep. Jenny, I am still confused. Who is the witch and who's the child that died? I don't understand.
Can you just shut up and just shut up with the pretense?
No, Jenny, listen to me. Jenny, listen to me and listen to me good. Listen very well. I am not cut out for this nonsense. Who the hell do you think you are? How dare you call me and talk to me like that? Have you lost it? Do you realize who you're talking to? Are you God? How dare you? I've told you I do not know what you're talking about. I expect you to calm down and explain. Yet you're just casting aspersion. Toriolo!
And now you are showing me your true colors. So what happened to the gentleman, Femi? What happened to it? I'll see you pretty soon.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know the bottom.
If you're lushy, get out of my face. Sense. What's wrong with this girl? What's wrong with her?
You must collect. You must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. Jesi lebane jesi zibo Mapotaze koku kibo Chaba kanse beze ya kopusi efibo. Them they try to play smart even when the name no be this man. But after all the bother with the niggas still come live for the mat. And they man has a body shot. The guy even could be young number. And they boom on way as far as you know one is maybe you get TV. Flash you get DVD. Let's say your tape or man watch you get a big TV.
Oh, Princess, I am very sorry for this terrible experience.
Okay.
When this man brought the case here, I was so surprised. I asked myself, who is the idiot that has the audacity to touch your husband? Is he mad?
You know, I was perplexed as well. We spoke last night and we concluded that he was going to come pick me from the airport. I tried calling him this morning. His number wasn't going through. I was actually devastated because I couldn't talk to him. And then I got to the hotel. I found out that everything was intact. His shoes, his jewelry, his phone. Then I knew something was fishy. Something was definitely going on.
Something is terribly wrong.
Exactly.
But you know what? Be rest assured that I will apprehend those criminals before the end of today. Yes. That young man who brought the case, he has given us useful information. Very useful information.
Okay.
And my men in the field right now have confirmed that they are very much on their trail.
Oh, great.
And we have the latest technology to go after all these kind of people. We have it.
Okay.
Yes, and it's working.
Okay.
Huh? What is all this? What is going on? Ritualists everywhere. Yahoo boys, Yahoo plus, all over the place.
Right there. Sorry, sir. I do not think these are ritualists. I think this is a revenge from a jealous lover.
Really?
Yes.
Revenge? That means you are suspecting somebody?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Who could? That makes my job easy. Who could that be?
I think we should apprehend the kidnappers so we can know who their sponsors are.
That's brilliant. You're correct. You're correct. Let's get them. Let them confess.
Yes.
They will confess.
I trust you can handle this. I trust.
Yes, very much so. Don't doubt me. Your father was my mentor. I will do everything. I'll cross 7 seas and 7 mountains.
I know what you can do.
Just hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, hello, Sergeant. How far with this kidnap case? No, listen to me, Sergeant. Listen to me. This is the high-profile case. I just got signal from the area command that they are interested in this case. So we have to intensify every effort to apprehend those criminals within the shortest possible time. Yes. If you need any logistics support, let me know.
Yeah.
I will provide them. Do you know who is involved? Now move it. Move it!
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Don't worry, Princess. I will handle this. Before the end of today, they will be dragged into this place.
Okay.
I'll put them in the cell and they'll be smelling rod.
Okay.
Rod.
I think I'm relaxed now.
Yes, you have every reason to be relaxed. How can anybody try it? Do you know?
Back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we dey do things.
I'm done. I don't care. You can do whatever you want to do to me. I'm leaving this place now. I'm leaving.
Move, I move. Behave yourself, or I treat you like a filter rag the same way you treated my sister. You're mad.
I don't care. What do I want to do? I don't care. I don't care.
Yes, hello, Sergeant.
Sir, we have them. Busted into their hideout and got them arrested.
Good. We want them alive. We need to know their sponsors, okay?
They are all alive, sir. We tried to show resistance, but we dealt with them professionally.
I trust you. I trust you. What about the kidnapped victim?
He's safe and sound, sir. No, he's traumatized. We are all coming back together.
Good job, Sergeant. Come along fast. I'm waiting.
Yes, sir.
How can, under my watch, they kidnap the in-law of my mentor? That cannot happen.
Honestly, Tina, I am devastated. I don't know who kidnapped him, but my best bet is Femi. That's my best guess, like Femi. You don't know how that idiot can be. He's very pampered.
Yes. Princess. Yes.
Tina, I'm going to call you later. The DPO is calling me. Alright? Alright. Hello, DPO.
Yeah. Hello, Princess. Yes. Princess, we have captured the criminals.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you, DPO. Thank you. What about my husband?
Oh, he is safe and sound. Huh? They are on their way to my office right now.
You know what? Please keep him in a special room until I come over. I don't want anyone asking him questions, alright?
I understand, Princess. He is a VIP. You don't have any problem. I am waiting for you.
Thank you. I'll be there shortly. Oh my God. Thank you.
See you soon. Chief Nanga will be proud of me wherever he is. How can? This needs to be reported immediately to headquarters. Hello, Cobra. Come over immediately.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know they wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you step in on my...
Yes. Your son.
Artist.
Here are the criminals. You, over there. And you stay here.
So you are the criminals that have been terrorizing this neighborhood all this while? Huh? You terrorize this neighborhood with guns, rifles, even grenades.
So we are not terrorists. We are just...
Shut up, my friend. Shut up. If you talk nonsense again, I'll tell Sergeant to blast your head with his pistol. Are you all right? You don't even know the woman you have gotten into her trap. You don't know. Her father was my mentor. He made me who I am today. I was a gate man, ordinary gate man in his house. And he looked at me one day and said, yeah, you will be a great policeman. And what did he do? With ordinary phone call, I became a policeman. And today I am the DPO of this station. And that is the man you want to mess up with his daughter. Answer me.
Sir, I do not know anything about this woman. My issue is
keep
with...
quiet.
The DPO is talking and you're talking. Are you mad?
Don't mind him. Just don't mind him. I heard that you are a criminal, international criminal. They chased you away from is it Malaysia or what do they call it, Singapore? And you came back to this country to continue with your criminality. Unfortunately for you, you have gotten into the wrong hands. You just got yourself into the trap of crime busters. That is what I and my team are. Crime busters. Your end is finished. You're all finished. 3 of you. And whoever is your sponsor or sponsors, you're finished. Nonsense. Look at their faces. One looks like a devil himself. Ekpo masquerade.
Not all.
If I hear pain from you, look at him. Why are you looking at like that? Come on, take away your eyes from me.
Damn. This idiot just ruined my plans. Huh? Seriously, I never anticipated his return.
Just me too. Me too.
Why didn't they just waste him over there?
I swear.
So that we could have peace over here.
I swear.
Yeah?
You should just died there now. Jeez. What are you going to do? I mean, what are we going to do if he decides to spill the beans?
I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. But I'm sure Jennifer is not his class. Yes. She would rather deal with him than listen to him. Yes. She won't give him audience.
What if she listens? What if she decides to listen? What do we do?
Well, worst case scenario, she will discard me. Yes. And then I'll go back to my life.
You mean go back to Ifoma? Or continue the wedding?
Nah. The wedding is over, it's over. Okay? I'll just look for another girl. Maybe your Chedala's daughter or find a new life. Yes.
Why did this idiot decide to come back this time? Jeez. We're going to lose big deal. We're going to lose.
You never can tell. You know she loves me crazy. Yeah, she's crazy about me. The last nights we spent together was fire. She likes it big. And you know girls, once they're hooked, they're hooked. So you never can tell. There's still hope.
I just hope so, Jukes. I just hope so. Look, my dream studio, my musical studio. Jukes, I can't take this beating for nothing. I can't.
Just relax. I'm sure the beating will not be for nothing. Relax. And be a man. You're my guy now.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know they wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you are due. You must collect. You must collect.
So, is there anything else I can do for you?
No, I'm fine. Madam said you should bring me here so I can rest. I'm here now, so I'm good.
Oh, pardon moi. I will have to take my leave now.
Okay. Bye.
Jesi lebane jese zibo mapotaze koku kibo chaba kanzebeze ya kobusi efibo. Them they try to play smart even when the name no be this man.
Hello, Ifoma. Yeah, it's Donald, your colleague in the office.
Donald. Wow. This is a surprise.
I just want to ask you something.
Yes.
I saw someone that looks like your brother Obunna. Is he in town?
Yes, he's in town. We have been trying to call him like since today. We've not been able to reach him and his number is switched off. Yes.
I think he's having some serious issues with the police.
Please, what happened?
The police stormed my neighborhood and arrested him and some other men.
What? Arrested? Yes. Okay. How long ago was this?
More than 1 hour ago now. What's going on? Is he in some kind of trouble?
No. He's just he's helping me out of a situation. It's nothing. But please, do you know where? Do you know where they took him to? Do you know?
No. But I think that vehicle is from Area F.
Okay. So see, Donald, the thing is, my brother, he's not an armed robber. Neither is he a kidnapper, okay? He's just, he's helping me out of a situation. So that's it. That's just it. So thank you for this. Thank you for this information. Yeah, I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay, you guys should hurry up, please, before we hear another story. You know how this anti-robbery and kidnapping squad could be?
Yeah, sure. We're doing something about it. Thank you, Donald.
All right. Take care.
Ify, what is it? What is going on? Who was arrested? Who?
One of my colleagues, he just called. He said that Obunna was arrested by SARS.
What? By SARS? Where? How?
No, please, don't worry. I'm trying my best to trace everything that happened, and we're going to gather information as to what is happening right now. Okay.
Please,
Mommy, just listen to me. In case there's any problem, all of us cannot just leave the house, please. Let me just go inside and change. Let me just change so that I can go there and find out. Just stay at home in case he comes back, please. Is even dying. My goodness, what is just going on? What is going on? My goodness.
From Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there with the
criminals. Welcome back, princess. Sit down. Look at the criminals, the kidnappers. This one is their leader. You can see that criminal terrorist faces. You can see.
You. So you had the audacity, the temerity, the impetus to kidnap and molest my fiancé.
Your fiancé? How?
Shut up! How dare you? Who is your sponsor?
Who is sponsoring me?
I am asking you questions you are repeating. Are you okay? Are you normal? I said, who is sponsoring you?
My friend, confess now. Answer her question. Confess or I throw you back to the torture room.
Listen, I did not kidnap Mr. Chooks. I only invited him for one-on-one chats. Mr. Chooks is my...
What? Shut up!
What? Princess, just calm down. What are you talking about? That you did not kidnap him? Oh, okay. So you grabbed a man, forced him into your car, took him to an unknown destination, tied him up in order to kill him, and you say you did not kidnap him. So what is your definition of kidnap? Oh, okay. You want us to wait for you to now use a knife and kill him, disembowel him, scatter his body, and then harvest his body parts for your rituals before we can now admit that you kidnapped him. Who do you think you're talking to?
Sir, I wish you had given me a little time to explain this thing. Mr. Chooks is...
Shut up, goddammit! Who is sponsoring you?
That is a question.
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there with the
DPO, you're being too lenient on this idiot. Or do you want my escort to deal with him?
No, Princess. That will not be necessary. I have all the hands to deal with them. I have the hands to do the needful. Don't worry. Sergeant. Yes, sir. You and Ezekiel, deal with this man. Yes, sir. Look at this one, the leader. Let him confess. We need him to tell us who his sponsor is, because he's the leader. As for the other ones, throw them into the cell. Yes, sir. Move it! Move. Criminals.
I will make sure you rot in hell. Idiot! Criminal!
Move it! Idiots.
DPO.
Princess.
If you cannot handle this case, we can take it to Abuja. My uncle is there. He will handle it.
Oh, Princess, how can you talk like this? Eh? No. I have what it takes to handle this case. I am on top of it, as a matter of fact. Yes. What? I'm already handling it. You can see, I have arrested them. Within one day, I've arrested them. So, once he confesses now, bam, I'll take it up from there. Eh? Don't worry. You know where we're coming from. Your father was my mentor. I cannot fail him. Eh? Don't worry yourself.
Just get it done. That's all.
Immediately. I can even go there myself now and interrogate him by myself. And he will confess. You haven't seen me interrogate people, criminals. Once they see my face, they start singing.
I'm back from Singapore.
We arrested her as she's trying to run away in a keke, sir.
Keke? Me? Sir, I have my own car. I came here with my own vehicle, sir.
Shut up! Are you in any way trying to say an officer of the law is lying?
Oh, really? So these are the keke criminals, eh?
No, yes, sir. I have my own. I come with my own car, sir.
What car? What car? Oh, you hold a car key to pretend that you have a car. Then you use keke to kidnap people.
Exactly,
sir.
Oh, they call them hookers. They're the people that catch men. Then they're Yahoo boys.
Yes, she tried to outsmart us, sir.
Sir, please, there's a heavy misunderstanding going on.
What is it?
If I may, sir, please.
Keep quiet.
Corporal, don't worry. Let me hear the lies she wants to lie. All right, talk. Let me hear you.
If I may, sir.
You may. Go on.
Sir, with all due respect to you, duly respected, sir, you are lying, sir.
What? Officer of the law.
You are misunderstanding the scenario that, sir, the truth of the matter is, my husband today, we already scheduled a wedding this Saturday. So, he has even paid my bride price and everything, all the plan is going according to plan. Everything is perfect. All of a sudden, he now called and said that the wedding will no longer hold. So, that...
So what? So what?
So that
just leave that. What? How does this your cock and bull story relate with the kidnap case that I'm handling here? What is the connection? Oh, you came here to derail the case so that you use technicalities to release.
I'm not.
That's what you want.